So we started using this training matrix, or we're getting going on it, and we're going over it today in the meeting, and I said, hey, we've got room for an improvement. Let me show you what I did. So we've put in on the side over here all of the tasks that we're working on. We got people that are working on it. We're starting to get going there. And some of these things that we have SOPs for, and some of them that we don't. Before, we were just writing a Y next to it, and I said, we need a better visual control that makes it stand out. So I went over, so we now have a green fast cap. When we have an SOP next to something, we put a green fast cap on it, and that tells us that we've got an SOP for it. So now, if next one here, we're going to go work on cutting aluminum for the garage. The first thing we're going to do is somebody that's qualified on it is going to build an SOP so that we can train people that are interested in it, that we've got a training document. So, and now we can visually know whether we have an SOP for it. Nice and easy, stands out from the rest. We put the fast cap right there on the other side with a clip, so we're good to go.